Okay, this is just a quick example of how to use a Android tablet smart home control panel intercom as an intercom. Just go over to our panel here, and for intercom we use Zello. Zello is like a push to talk app, and you notice each tablet in our home, we have a 3-story home, is registered to a different account. And so basically I'm in the basement right now, and then I have kitchen and upstairs bedroom. So if I want to talk to my wife in the kitchen, I just tap on kitchen, and then push to talk to her. Ariane. Hello, where did you go? What are we having for dinner? Hello?
Yes, dear.
Okay, so my wife's a little slow getting to it, but that's how it works. So it's just a push to talk. When you push and you speak to the other tablet in the home, whichever one you choose, it automatically pulls this screen up on that tablet for them to easily reply to.
Just getting your cat away from the dogs.
Okay, thank you. You're a little slow, but that's okay. And that's it. Again, it's Zello.
You're a little slow.
Zello is the app that is used to push to talk. And it's just that simple. Cheers. Oh, and the power I run directly down. If you see, it's just reverse wired to an outlet on the same wall directly underneath of it. That's it.